you can change your life for a better side, provided you should do the things, whatever it comes in your life, with the following four qualities, four elements for at least 6 months. Whatever you do, you should do with four elements. One is you should follow the hard working, you should follow the hard work, you should do the things with hard work for 6 months, and you should do the things consistently for 6 months, and you should do the things with a focus, and you should do the things with discipline. So, with these four qualities, if you do the things, then definitely these four qualities, these four elements are the elements of yourself, and then definitely your life will become the best.